Hey there friends, I'm back again with a new tutorial video. In this video, I will teach you a fantastic trick on how to get ChatGPT's opinion on anything. Getting ChatGPT's opinion is a breeze, just follow these simple steps. Start by introducing the topic or questions clearly. Give ChatGPT the context it needs. Gently request ChatGPT's opinion using phrasing like, could you share your thoughts on this topic, insert the topic, or any movies you want to know what's his thoughts. So you can ask chat gpt like that. So you can also say, can you provide different viewpoints related to insert your topic, and we will try that one right now. So for example, for the famous movie Titanic, let's ask ChatGPT what's ChatGPT's thoughts on the Titanic movie. So if you want to get more details, you can ask ChatGPT to elaborate. So what are the reason behind this or that? You can ask ChatGPT. So if needed, seek further insights like, please tell me more about something like this, or the part of the movie. You can ask ChatGPT that, and he will give you some answers. And there you have it. You've mastered the art of soliciting ChatGPT's opinion. Thank you for learning with me today. Once again, thank you for watching how to get ChatGPT's opinion on anything. See you on my next video. Remember, ChatGPT is a treasure trove of perspectives. Use this tool to enhance your understanding and explore new ideas. Stay curious and keep the conversation flowing. Until next time, thanks for tuning in. Keep your mind open to the endless possibilities of knowledge and conversation. Here's to your journey of discovery.